So as you can see there, you have got 2 whole bars of chocolate, which is also, so 2 whole ones is exactly the same as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 quarters. 8 quarters. And what can you see there? Well, you know that 4 goes into 8 2 times. So, to summarise, to convert an improper fraction to a mixed number, you must take the numerator and divide it by the denominator. And if it doesn't go in that exact amount of times, then you need to keep the denominator and put the remainder above it. For example, 44 fifths is an improper fraction. So you need to be thinking, how many times will 5, let me just finish, that's not take away, that is divide. So let's just make that into a divide. How many times will 5 go into 44? So start counting. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Nope, I can't. I don't have 45. I've only got 44. So I've got to 40, which is 8. So 8 whole times will 5 go into 40. And then I've got 40, 41, 42, 43. 4 left over. So that would be 4 fifths. And you'd write that down as 8 and 4 fifths. And exactly the same for this one here. How many times does 4 go into 36? Well, you've been practicing your 4 times tables. I know that. So counting 4s with me. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, exactly 9 times. So, how do you convert a mixed number to an improper fraction? Let's go through it one more time. So here we have got 2.5 bars of chocolate. So I've got 2, I multiply the denominator by the whole number, then I add the one on the top. So that would give me 5, which is 5 halves, the mixed number converted to an improper fraction. There you see another one. 5 3/4. I multiply the whole one by the denominator and I add the numerator. 4 times 5 plus 3 gives you 23 quarters. So here we have another one. 3 3/4. Multiply the denominator by the whole number and then add the numerator at the top. And that will look like this. 3 times 4 plus 3. And exactly the same over here. What do you think the calculation is going to look like? Imagine doing it now. And if you're imagining correctly, you would imagine 6 times 8 or 8 times 6. The answer will be exactly the same, whichever way you multiply the denominator by the whole number. And then add the numerator on the top. So there you would have had 53 sixths. Now for today's activities, you can either choose to do the support activity, which is exactly what I have just been going through with you, or you may want to stretch your understanding a little bit further and do this investigation. Read through each step, each bullet point one at a time, and it's more of a chance for you to explore if there are any patterns when converting mixed numbers and improper fractions. And then see if you do spot any patterns, then you'll be able to tell me that when you post your work in your portfolio. And today's challenge activity is very similar to the main, just a little bit more challenging, and you're going to be